Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can convert your images. For example, my client sent me these images. Okay, when I try to open, this format is HEIC open. Okay, so these images are not working. So when I try to upload on Amazon.com, okay, so here is error. So what we need to do, you need to write here EIC to JPG. Okay, go to first website and select HEIC to JPG. Okay, so this is my image 00065. Okay, so when it's done, convert your image. So it's ready. So you can download, and this is the image I downloaded. So go into Amazon again and upload the same image. And now it's working. You can see now it's working. Thanks for watching.